So we're out here at the Crown Victoria today. I'm gonna go ahead. I just got done taking it through the car wash. I'm gonna go ahead and detail the inside. Basically a light detail and just go over the dash. I already wiped it down. So now we're gonna go ahead and go over it with some Armor All, whatever choice you choose. You know, this or whatever brand you use. Just basically, go over the dash. It is kind of hot. I like to actually do it in the shade, but unfortunately, it's already hot, and I have time to do it today, but I don't have time to let the car sit and in the shade before I do it. So you can either turn the car on, let the air run to help cool the inside down, to cool off the dash, or you just basically have to use like a light coat of it and go over fairly quickly so it doesn't dry and leave spots on the dash. But other than that, that will take care of the detailing that we'll need to do today. So like I said, basically definitely want to start with like a clean rag. This one is clean, brand new. And I just fold mine. I'll fold it up. And then we'll go ahead and spray the dash. I actually already put some rugs in here. See, I have some wiring. This is for the trunk because I did switch this out, so I have to tuck that in. Got a lot of wiring I'm gonna have to take care of. Once again, this is something you just don't want to stuff the wires back in there, so you need to make sure they're not hot wires, which some of them are. And you need to make sure they're properly either capped off or taped off, mainly capped if you can, similar to this one. And that way you can tuck them away without having any electrical problems. The last thing you want to do is short out the vehicle. All right, so let's go ahead, start right around this area and just wipe it. Give it that shine. There we go. Trying to get you guys some better lighting. As you see, is some shade and some is not. So I always try to point away from the glass because I should have waited and cleaned the glass last, but no, I actually trying to go ahead and get it finished. Now the reason I go ahead and do a nice clean on this dash, keep it from getting any cracks, to keep it clean, keep it looking new as possible. Now if you really want to go ahead and give it like a deep shine, so this Armor All here, basically it's going to clean it and give it like a nice film over the top. It's not going to give it that super deep shine, but if you want to get a deep shine, they do have some product that you can use that you can put on here one time and they give it a super deep shine. It actually stay like that for a while. We're not going to be using that today. If that's something you want to see, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll grab that product and show you guys how it works. But definitely make sure you go ahead and rub it in quick. You don't want to let it sit. If you let it sit, it will leave spots on the dash. Try to get that black piece right there in the back also. Now you want to take care of this stuff, because if you don't, it's rare that I have seen these crack, but I'm pretty sure over time, if you haven't been doing anything to it, it will start to crack away. And just like that, this vehicle is complete with the dash. Now you would basically do the same thing on the panels. Same thing on the door panels. Just go over it with a light coat, just to clean any dirt off. Give it a nice little coat of shine. You can see it real good on the